Hey Joe, it's Tim, and I'm just going to do this on the back of a SVR trim to show you. So you got to make sure your film is coming underneath here and over the top of this one and underneath, and then you come over here and you'll disconnect. And then you can see that this just pulls out, okay? Just nice and simple. Okay, and you can see that now this roll just comes off here. See that, Joe? There's really nothing fancy about that. So you take the roll off. And just do that. And then you put this back into the groove. Well, it's hard to do with one hand. Hold on a second. I'll pause this for a second. Okay, so we're now back again, and this bar is in. Now the film does not get. Let me see if I can show you. The film does not get held in place or anything by that bar. All you're doing is you're rolling it around. If I just show you this, you're rolling it around and tucking it up and underneath, and then you, as it turns, okay, it'll hold like this. Okay, you can see. Okay, now I've got it on there, and I can turn it a couple of times just to make sure it's tight. Now it's tight, and you're good to go. It doesn't actually get locked in anywhere, and that may be if you've put the film and then use this bar as a mechanism to hold it. That's probably where you're going to be finding your problem. And then, of course, when the roll is done, or filled up, you pull it off, and again, pretty straightforward. But again, you just pull this out, and that releases the film, and then you can just slide it off. Hope that explains it, Joe. Let me know if there's any questions. Thanks. Bye.